We just picked up some plants at Walmart this morning, so we're going to plant those out here in what little space we have left in the garden. Just tomatoes and carrots and some herbs for the herb garden. We can just plant them all right in here. I thought this was a nice space, but I see here some columbines growing over here. Here's some right here. I might just dig that up and put it over here. I'm just going to put that right here. I'm just doing this kind of quick, not being too careful about it, I guess. Look at the size of that one. You can tell this is good gardening soil. You see worms like that, you can tell you got some good gardening soil. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is, guess I don't have to loosen up all the soil. You can just dig out the, okay. We're just going to dig individual holes for each. Do the cucumbers first. So, even better yet, lay them down and plan where we're going to put them at. I should have thought of that before. These here are some wildflowers that I planted last year or a couple years ago. These look like they're wild phlox coming up here. Okay, so I'm going to get a couple rows right in here like this. I'm just going to dig a hole the size of the pot. I'm just breaking up the big clumps of dirt. Okay, squeeze the sides, holding on to this stuff. So I'm just burying it in the ground in a hole just a little bit bigger, and then I put it at ground level, so the dirt in the pot is at the same ground level as the pot. Okay, so this is a pepper plant, a green bell pepper. This says sweet banana pepper. Okay. This is Italian oregano. So I'll just dig a hole about the size of the pot. Try and keep it at the same ground level by holding it while you're planting it so it doesn't fall in all the way there. There. So that's 2 down. Another earthworm there.
Two left.
Okay.
So 2 left.
Yeah.
I can do one.
You want to do one?
Ready?
Yep.
Alright, these are the cucumbers. Alright.
Want to do another one?
Yeah, I'll do another one. Now these are tomatoes.
Yep.
And then I'm right here.
How about right? How about putting the pepper there?
Putting the pepper here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Because I was thinking we could put the tomato over here because there's a lot more room.
Oh, they need more space to grow.
Yeah, sometimes.
Alright, this will be a hot banana pepper.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you want me to do the last one or you want to?
I can do it.
Okay. Just right here in the center.
Alright.
That way it has a lot of room to grow.
Right here?
Yeah.
Alright, the last one we're planting is our tomato. Ooh, another worm.
Yeah, that's a good sign of your soil.
Yeah. Very good soil.
Yes. Okay.
Alright.
So stand there, Nathan. So, how do you like planting those tomatoes and peppers?
Pretty fun.
Is it easy to do?
Oh,
And anybody can do it.
exactly. I don't
Okay.
even know anything about gardening and I did it.
Yeah. Okay, so if you like that video at all,
Please
can you,
subscribe.
please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will talk to you next time. So thanks a lot, and goodbye. Okay, I'm sprinkling the garden right now. We got flower seeds in the first two and some vegetables in the third one. So thank you very much, and I will talk to you later on.